Hey, welcome back to the office one more time here on this beautiful Wednesday. It is now Wednesday afternoon. I believe it's April 7th. My name is Dan Daniels and you are here in the office of New Traditions. I want to show you a couple of dulcimers. This is number 868. This is koa, book-matched koa, back and sides, with a really nice tight grain Alaska Sitka spruce for the top. This is a 25-inch VSL single sound hole. Again, koa and Sitka spruce, Alaskan Sitka spruce with Grover Stay Tight tuners. And it sounds a little bit like this. The sustain on these instruments with this Alaska Sitka spruce top is pretty phenomenal. Once again, this is number 868, and this one is available on our website at newtraditionsdulcimers.com. Koa, Alaska Sitka spruce, number 868, New Traditions Hourglass. Lord bless you guys.